What's happening, guys? I'm Ash, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find, or possibly find, a leaky tyre or air coming out of your tyre with just a spray bottle. Stay tuned. Now you might be thinking, how the hell are you going to find an air leak with just a bottle, a spray bottle? I'm going to tell you. So this here is a prime example. Whilst I've got the issue, I might as well show you. So I first thought it might have been the tyre, but I'm going to show you how to use the spray bottle, what to do and how to do it. So you want to grab a spray bottle, you want to put some washing up liquid in it, not too much, just a bit, fill it up to the top with water, give it a good shake, make sure that it froths right up. Now ideally you want to take your wheel off of the car. If you can't do it, try do it on the car first. If you still can't find out, you're going to have to take it off because you need to check both sides of that wheel. So first off, I am just going to spray the back. Now what you're looking for is bubbles. You're looking for bubbles mainly round here, so if it hasn't sealed or it might have had the chance to pop off the bead. You want to douse it, you want to keep checking this because you want to bubble. And what will happen is, if it finds a leak, the washing up liquid in the water, it'll start bubbling and you'll see it in the area. It'll stand out like a sore thumb. Next, you want to be spraying it on the actual tyre itself. It is hard to find leaks on the tyre itself, but it will stand out. So the back of the wheel looks good and the tyre looks good, so his last chance is the front. So I'm going to spray that down, check the valve, and we'll see where we stand. So it doesn't look like the bead's leaking. Let's try the valve. Instantly, we can see so what are your chances, or what are your options when it comes to sorting a puncture out on your tyre? Now if it's on this face, 9 out of 10 you can have it repaired. So you need to get down to a repair shop, a tyre place, and see what they think. If the hole's too big, sometimes they won't do it. Sometimes if it's a smaller screw, nail or something like that, they will put a puncture repair kit on. If it's leaking from the sides, what's going to have to happen is you're still going to have to go down to a tyre shop. You're going to have to get them to take the tyre off, clean the sides up and try reseal it. If that doesn't work, the tyre is probably mismoulded, which is very slim chances, or your wheel is buckled. So I'll take it down, let them have a look at it and see what they say. Valve, which in my case is the issue. So if this little thing is your problem, you've got a few options. So you can try tighten it up, you can change the insert of the valve, or you're going to have to go down to the tyre shop again and have the full valve changed, which means taking the tyre off and refitting it all. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, I hope you learned something, and yeah, remember guys to like, comment and subscribe, especially if you learned something, because that's what it's about. So yeah, whatever you're doing today, make it different. See you later guys.